Hello everyone, it's Fena here. So in this video, I will be reviewing an application that is useful for learning a language named Quizlet. Let me introduce this app real quick. Quizlet is an e-learning application that can be accessed by downloading it from Google Play Store or App Store, or you can also access it through their website in www.quizlet.com. This app claims that it is the easiest way to study, practice, and become an expert in whatever we are learning. We actually can also learn other subjects such as medicine, law, math, social science, and the others. Of course, that are what they are claiming in their application description. Through this app, we can make flashcards, and we can use this app as a student or as a teacher. This app can be used for children from 3 years old to any age, and the publisher is Quizlet, and it was last updating on January 18, 2023, so it's quite up to date. The language skill that this app offers are more on vocabulary and pronunciation. Because we only can make flashcards from this app, it's quite hard to learn maybe like grammar, reading, or writing through this app. So let's us just reviewing this app. First of all, of course, we need to sign up or log in. Here I already have my account, so I will log in using my Google email address. And here it is. Here is the display of the home screen. Yeah, I actually already do several tasks and make my own tasks. So yeah, but I think I still need to introduce you to how it makes and how we do it. So far, we search what kind of things that we want to learn. Here I will search English vocabulary, or yeah. Here we have also grammar, language verbs, and the others. Let us just do one of the quiz that I already did. Here we have the classic life and checkpoint, and the self-study activities, flashcard, learn, test, and match. It is the flashcard. What kind of test? I'm sorry. Let us just yeah. As as a teacher, we have the answer here. We can also listen to the audio. Oh, sorry, it's not working. I think. Yeah. Anyway, it's how it is, and yeah, we can see
Needle
the.
in a haystack.
Can you hear
To
that?
put out.
Okay. Yeah. And this is flashcard, and then there is
To
task.
extinguish a fire.
Yeah. This we can choose true or false, true or false question, and then also matching question. It's maybe like, and then we have also, oh, this is the matching question. I'm sorry, this is the definition. As a student, we can submit the task. Next, I will show you how we create the flashcard. Yeah. Title may be vocabulary, and The term is the answer of the question. The definition is, of course, the definition of the answer. So the term may be chair, chair. Definition. Use. Oh, we can choose the language also. Language is English, yeah. Used for sitting down. And yeah, that's how we can do it. We can add maybe like as many as possible flashcards we want to, and we can click create. Oh, we need at least two. I'm sorry. Chair and pen. Use for writing. Can create that, and all right. Here's my piece. Yeah, I also have new achievement. Okay, so this app is very easy to use, but here is my honest review towards this app. So it's also quite useful for the teacher to make quiz for the classroom. But for students, maybe this app is not really engaging enough to be used because display is not that good. As a student myself, I feel a bit bored while using this app. But overall, this app is great for teacher because it is very easy to use. However, we still need to pay for 569,000 rupiah for a year. But the benefit is not really beneficial where we can only have access to the students' progress and remove the apps. So it's kind of fancy for me, personally. My overall rating for this app is 4, which is still good and appropriate to use. So yeah, oh, my internet connection is not really good, but yeah, that's all that I can share with you. See you on other unboxing. Bye.